3 messed up signs that the universe is protecting you. The universe can be cruel to be kind. Honestly, this process can be so confusing sometimes. Stay till the end to get the secret to deal with the universe when it does this to you. So here they are, the 3 messed up signs the universe is protecting you. 1. It takes you through darkness. 2. And when it's dark, the universe sends you more darkness. 3. You try to get rid of it, and the universe sends you people who are suffering. Sometimes you know what's happening here. Darkness is the universe's way to force you to follow the path that leads you to your wishes. We say we want a better life, but we choose to stay where we are and do the same things that keep us where we are. Oftentimes, if we don't experience suffering, we just keep staying where we are. The reason you don't leave the place you're in is because it's comfortable. Not ideal, but comfortable. If you want to get to a place better than where you are, you need to leave the place you're in. That's why the universe will help you to get to your wishes by making you suffer where you are, so that you leave the place you're in. When you suffer, you'll take action. Then you'll get to your wishes. 2. When it's dark, the universe sends you more darkness. You start to see a lot more people around who are suffering. This expands the darkness until you can't take it anymore. Every so often, the universe sends you people who talk about darkness, but they talk about how they overcame it. From this you get ideas about how to overcome your own darkness. If you still don't find any ideas from that, you keep receiving more of the same, until you can't take it anymore. 3. Then the universe still sends you more people who are suffering. They come into your life, and they ask you to help them. You can't take it. But then you remember vaguely hearing about the law of attraction and manifestation practices. First you start to go back and follow the law of attraction and manifestation practices. You wish away your darkness. You send your intentions to the universe to no longer experience darkness. But people keep appearing in your life, suffering. You keep doing your manifestations. They keep appearing into your life. You can't take it. But then you remember. When you help people get the thing you want, you get what you want. You start to teach them what you know about how to get rid of darkness. You are desperate to get rid of your darkness. So you tell yourself that, in that moment, your manifestation issues can wait. You teach them what you know works, even if it's not currently looking like it's working for you. You teach them the law of attraction and manifestation practices. You teach them positive affirmations. And then suddenly, out of the blue, you feel better. Suddenly, it's like you still see all the darkness, but you don't feel so much sadness. All of a sudden, you realize that you still see all of the darkness, but you are no longer absorbing it. It's because you are helping others, and it's making them feel better. And this is making you feel better. It's like the illusion that the darkness is no longer here. It's like you are realizing that you are feeling more and more positive. And the positivity all of a sudden starts to eclipse the darkness. You remember to tell the people to also help others. It's part of the secret. But how does this help you? When you show people how to get what they want, You will inevitably put on the shelf what you want for that moment. In that moment, it's not about you and your problems. For that moment, there is light because you are not thinking about you and your problems. It's a positive distraction. And this leads you to getting more positive results for the people. This gives you more positivity. And you start to feel better. You don't know what happened here? But somehow you feel so grateful that your darkness has taken the back seat for now. You even utter the words, "Oh, thank goodness for the light feeling at last." When you turn your attention back to your darkness, now that you feel better, the universe sends you more and more into the dark place again. You mumble to yourself, "For goodness sake." It's like you don't listen and haven't learned. Then you remember to continue to teach. You share lessons and learnings. And the more you do, the more your darkness fades. You also remember seeing something about self-love. So, you teach what you've learned about self-love. People are loving themselves now, and they are feeling good. Life feels like it's a dream right now. You don't remember the last time you felt so good, so alive, so loved. And then you realize, this is how you deal with the universe when it's acting up. This is what you do. Number 1. You thank the universe for loving you so much that it did send you into darkness. Because you suddenly realize that in this moment right now, you are in fact living your dreams. You are living your wishes. And now, you suddenly remember how you got here. The universe made life so uncomfortable for you that out of desperation, you did some things, even if it seemed those things didn't work for you at that time. So, number 2. Hence you taught others how to overcome even if it seemed like in that moment those things were not working for you. And number 3. You realize this is how you deal with the universe? When it's dealing you a bad card. I thank you, universe. I thank you. I thank you. If you feel like you resonate with any part of this story, or if it has been at all helpful, comment below and give it a like. Also subscribe to the channel to see more inspirational videos. Love and light to you all.